Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen. Tonight we got Lomo Saltado. So for today, I wanted to say welcome to all our new subscribers, right, sweetheart? We got a bunch of new subscribers and something else is special. This is our 100th video. So we had to go all out. We got, you guys will see, we got special attractions. So excited for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoy, but welcome to all your subscribers. We're happy to have you here. So for this recipe, a review, what we're gonna need. We're gonna need steak, we're gonna need tomatoes, we're supposed to have spicy peppers, but you guys know in our house, Triple M does not approve the spice. So cubanelles, sweet, red onions, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of cumin, soy sauce, white vinegar, and the funny smelling oyster sauce that someone's mad about. But we'll review how we got to here, but that's a refresher of our ingredients. So for the steak, we started off with 2 relatively small top sirloin steaks. We sliced them about 1/4 inch thick, added them to our mixing pot. We added our soy sauce, added 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin. We mixed to combine. We placed in the refrigerator for at least an hour, can go more, but for at least an hour. And it should look like this. Then for our feisty onions, we took 1 red onion. So for the onions, we peeled it, sliced it, julienned it, cried a little bit, and this is our outcome. For the cubanelle pepper, we sliced it into as thin stripes as I could, got rid of the seeds, and I'm left with this beautiful cubanelle pepper. And for our sauce, at the end, we're gonna add in these Roma tomatoes that I sliced it. I have 2, I sliced it, and they will look like this. Now we'll get our hot wok going and we'll go on to our next steps. So if you guys saw, we have a lo mein video. We got the wok out. It's gonna get hot in here, smoky in here, but we'll just deal with it. We gotta do the meat in batches. So with the meat, we can't put it all in there, so it's not gonna stir fry right. So we're gonna do batches. So the first batch in, we're gonna get in our oil into our wok. We're gonna turn on our noisy wok. We'll get that simmering a little bit, which is gonna be instant, is with the wok, with the convection cooktop, and then we'll add our beef. And we'll go ahead and add in our beef, and we'll do layers at a time. Just looking to brown it off in batches. You can immediately smell the cumin, the garlic powder, the soy sauce just coming out of the pan. Once we get the color, we'll rinse and repeat. So my first batch is done. I'm gonna put that into my waiting pan here and add in some more oil and go to my next batch. So oil and keep on going. Add my oil, olive oil, and add my last batch in. I wish, only wish, you guys had smell-o-vision because it smells phenomenal. For someone who wasn't in the mood for Lomo Saltados, Triple M is sure getting excited back there.
That's good.
Now comes the fun stir-fry part. So we're on to our veggies, stir-fry portion, some olive oil in the bottom. The thing that takes the longest is our onions. I'll get that tossed and coated, and then of course the cubanelle peppers. Looking to caramelize that, get those going, and then I'll add, for those following at home, Michael's Kitchen, garlic. I'll get the garlic in here soon. I'm gonna get color on this and I'll be right back. I got the color, hopefully you guys can see that color on there. Now I'm gonna add my garlic. You guys know Michael's Kitchen garlic. And I'm gonna stir that around until I smell the garlic. I want it to get fragrant. Don't wanna burn the garlic, but I wanna be able to smell the garlic, and then I'll go on to the next steps. Can you smell the garlic already?
Wow.
Michael's Kitchen, baby, garlic time. Add back in my gorgeous beef. Lomo saltado, right? Get that going. Raise the heat up because I'm trying to stir fry again. And then we'll start adding in all of our finishing ingredients, which of course is our white vinegar, our soy sauce, our oyster sauce, and our tomatoes. And we'll give that a toss. Tomatoes will make this little sauce at the bottom of the pan. Incorporate all those ingredients, and it's already smelling. I don't know if you guys can smell over there, but it's already smelling like a winner. Winner, winner, Lomo Saltado dinner.
Yeah, that works.
So we'll see if we can do it, but hopefully. Oh yeah, look at that sauce. You guys can see the sauce there?
Yes.
This is good. So I'll go ahead and drop the heat on this, and we'll get ready for the next steps. So done. You guys saw super simple, but this is special. We got hashtag Big Bro Oliver coming all the way from.
Hello, you friends from California.
So as you guys can see, he's got a special cert. He's the EP, and I will make him turn around. It's executive producer. We made that for him because Oliver's been helping us out, helping out Triple M with the lighting and the sound and editing.
With everything.
If you're interested, look him up in IMDb, Oliver Mancebo. But yeah, so we're excited. Made this for him. We're on a
Oh
Peruvian
man,
trip.
the aroma's incredible.
So
This is fantastic. I can't wait to eat.
I will share again. I already told him we want him to be honest. This is not a fake channel. We did the trip to New Orleans, and Triple M came out and asked her if she liked it, and she said, I've had better. So I want honest feedback, because obviously we don't want it to be all fluff. This is real, simple, and hopefully delicious. So
Yeah, hopefully delicious.
Keep going.
Lomo Saltado just means stir-fried beef, and it's served typically with French fries and rice, which is what we have here. And I'll let you do the honors of serving with that one, because that's sliding and lose all the juice. So serve here. Make sure you get the juice, the peppers, the onions, and all the good yum stuff. You can tell who he's serving it for because he's getting all the meat. Eat your vegetables, dude. Tell him to eat his vegetables. Ooh, tomatoes too.
I got a tomato in there. There's one in there.
And the juice for the rice.
Oh, hold on a second. Let's get it. Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
One on top there. Oh, yeah. All right.
So since he's the guest of honor,
Thank you, sir.
after you, I'll even trade spots.
Oh, man. Welcome to Oliver's Kitchen.
Good.
Damn, that's good.
May I?
Get your own. This is my plate. I just served.
El pedazo más grande.
Man, that was good. Oh boy, I'm gonna grab one of its fries too. Well done, sir. All right.
Guys, welcome subscribers. Get on the notification squad. So click that little bell on the bottom so you know when we post. Like the video if you like the video. Comment down below if there's anything you want to try and make. Subscribe for more. That said,
A buen tiempo.
I love it. I love it. Oliver, honestly.
Oh my God, yeah, seriously. Oh, joking aside, no, seriously. Are we cut? I'm gonna eat this, man. I'm gonna go. All right.
Thank you, you friends, for joining us again. This has been an amazing journey, and keep on coming back.
Just want to say thank you to all of you for the support. We started this as a hobby. We're sharing on Instagram and Facebook, and all my friends liked it. And we're here so far with the 100 video. Thank you.
Just want to say thank you for all the supports, and stick with us as we continue to grow and share new recipes and just find new ways to have fun in the kitchen.
Thank you.
That said,
A buen tiempo.
honestly,
Oh, check this out. This is fantastic.
but is it better than what we had last night?
Oh my God, so much better. It's so tender. Wow. Jesus.